Matale district is a beautiful place with its natural beauty, equipped with waterfalls and beautiful places. Last December we visited Sera Falls, a beautiful waterfall in the Matale district, located in the Knuckles Reserve. Generally, the water of this waterfall is abundant between November and March. From Matale, take 1.5 kilometers towards Dambulla, and then turn right at Mondondawala Junction to Rothoada Road. And then travel another 9 kilometers to reach Rothoada town. Along this route you will find another two beautiful waterfalls, namely, Bombarikiri Falls and Wambatuhena Falls, and the Pitawala Patana Plains, which has the Little World's End viewpoint. You will reach this waterfall by traveling 19 kilometers from Rothoada to Riverston, and then again another 19 kilometers from Riverston. You can get past all these places and reach the Sera Falls through the village of Pothtataila. If you are traveling from Kandy, you can use the above mentioned route via Matale, or else if you are traveling from Dambulla, you can reach Naula and use Naula Lahira, and Paligamaheta Road, to reach Sera Falls via Kongahawala. That means the total distance from Matale is about 49 kilometers, and this may take between 2.5 to 3 hours, depending on your speed. Traveling a little farther and tighter, but when the waterfall comes to a close, you will no doubt feel the freshness of your exhaustion. The Kittle-Ella stream joins the Hunumadala River, and forms the Piwakpatayi stream, which contributed to the creation of this beautiful waterfall, which joins the Thelgamu. It measures 10 meters in height, that means about 33 feet in height, and measures approximately 15 to 20 meters in width. You will realize that this is a waterfall that is wider than the height. Another highlight of this waterfall is its natural cave in the rock, located behind the falls, and you have the opportunity to walk into that cave. Walking into the cave, you are standing behind the crumbling water, and it's a rare sight you should see at least once in your life, as shown in the video. The beauty of the waterfall depends on the water streams that feed the waterfall, and varies with the amount of water available throughout the year. We were fortunate enough to see a large stream of water falling down from the waterfall, as we arrived in the month of December in a rainy season. But when these areas receive very little rainfall at times, you will notice that there is a slight decrease in the beauty of the waterfall. This is the way to the cave behind the waterfall. Water falling down the large rock in front of me, is from the accumulated water in the upper part of the rock due to heavy rains. To my left you can see the waterfall from the entrance to the cave. As mentioned earlier, now you can see that I am right behind the waterfall of the now falling stream. I will meet you soon with the details of another similarly beautiful place. Goodbye.